Travel trailers are one of the most popular RV choices out there, and it's easy to see why. They're affordable, flexible, and come in many sizes and styles. Whether you're a first-time buyer moving up from tent camping or a seasoned traveler looking for a lighter, simpler setup, there's a travel trailer for you. What is a travel trailer exactly? It's a non-motorized RV that hooks up to your SUV or truck with a frame-mounted hitch. Unlike motorhomes, travel trailers don't have their own engine, which is actually a huge advantage. Once you're set up at camp, you can unhitch and use your vehicle however you'd like. Want to head to town for groceries? Go sightseeing for the day? Take the kids to a trailhead or grab dinner? No problem. You don't have to pack everything up just to move. This flexibility is a huge perk for RVers who like to explore more than just the campground. Your vehicle stays mobile while your trailer stays put. Travel trailers come in all shapes and sizes, from small teardrops to large bunkhouses with extra slide outs and outdoor kitchens. So what's the best travel trailer for you? Well, that depends on how you camp and what you're towing with. Travel trailers come in hundreds of floor plans, from compact couples coaches to spacious bunkhouses. Whether you're packing light or bringing the whole crew, there's a layout built for your needs, your gear, and your camping style. But before you choose a floor plan, make sure your vehicle can handle the size and weight. Towing plays a big role in what features you could comfortably and safely bring along. We'll talk more about towing a little later. General RV can help you find the perfect travel trailer that fits your lifestyle and your vehicle, so you're set up for success from day one. There are a few different types of towable RVs to consider. For most first-time RVers though, travel trailers are the simplest and most versatile option. They also include smaller styles like pop-ups and teardrops, which are great for minimalist adventures and weekend trips. How do you know what kind of travel trailer you can tow? It all comes down to weight. Travel trailers vary widely, from lightweight 1,200-pound teardrops to full-size models tipping the scales at 10,000 pounds or more. And that weight matters. It affects how your vehicle brakes, turns, and accelerates. That's why it's critical to match your trailer to your vehicle's tow capacity. Not sure what your limits are? Use our easy-to-use tow guide at generalrv.com to find travel trailers that are a perfect fit for your vehicle. Once you've figured out your tow limits, the good news is your travel trailer can go just about anywhere. With over 16,000 private and public campgrounds around the U.S., from state parks to national parks and off-grid BLM land, you have a lot of options. Whether you're into full hookup resorts or remote boondocking, there's a travel trailer and a campground for you. So how much does a travel trailer cost? Travel trailers come in a wide range of price points. You can find compact campers starting at $10,000, while larger feature-packed models can exceed $75,000. That said, most new travel trailers wind up in that $20,000 to $50,000 sweet spot, offering great value for families, weekend warriors, and first-time buyers alike. At General RV, we carry the top brands like Coachman, Forest River, Keystone, Brinkley, Alliance, and Grand Design. And we'll help you find a trailer that fits your budget and your tow vehicle. Have questions? Give us a call or visit generalrv.com for more details.